Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is the 12th session of the topic determinant. Students, before you watching this video, please make sure that you have to watch part 1 to part 11. Students, in previous class we studied examples on singular and non-singular matrix. Yes, in today's class we discuss another one example. Find the inverse of the matrices 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha. To find the inverse, we know that to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Yes, first of all you have to find determinant of A, then you have to find the adjoint of A. Yes, first find determinant of A for that given matrices. Determinant of A is equals to, delete first column first row, what will get cos into cos alpha means cos square alpha will get minus of sin into sin alpha sin square alpha. Yes, if you take negative sign here, negative sign is common both, you will take out that common sign. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is nothing but 1. This implies 1 into minus 1 will get. Okay, now you have to find out cofactor of that element. How to find cofactor? Delete A11 means first row first column. If you delete, what will get? Minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is nothing but minus 1. Then A12, delete first row second column, first row second column, what will get? Minus cos alpha into 0, 0 into sin alpha, 0 means 0 minus 0 is again 0 will get. Okay, then cofactor of A13, delete first row third column, sin alpha into 0, 0, 0 into cos alpha, 0. Then cofactor of A21, delete second row first column. Okay, what will get? 0 into minus cos alpha, 0 will get. Sin alpha into 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is again 0 will get. Next, A22, cofactor of A22 is second, delete second row second column, minus cos alpha into cos alpha, 0 into 0 minus cos alpha will get. And cofactor of A22 is minus 1 to the power 4 is nothing but plus 1, plus 1 into cos alpha is cos alpha. Then cofactor of A23, delete second row third column, sin alpha into 1 sin alpha will get, minus 0 into 0 0, but cofactor of A23 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1, minus 1 into minor of A23 is sin alpha, minus 1 into sin alpha minus sin alpha will get. Yes, then cofactor of A31, delete third row first one column, what will get? Sin alpha into 0, 0 minus cos alpha into 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Yes, then cofactor of A32, delete third row second column, sin alpha into 1 sin alpha minus 0 into 0, 0. Yes, but minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1, minus 1 into sin alpha is minus sin alpha will get. Yes, then cofactor of A33, delete third row third column, what will get? Cos alpha into 1 cos alpha minus 0 is nothing but cos alpha will get. Therefore you have to find adjoint of a matrix. The adjoint of a matrix A is equals to, you have to write, you have to transpose of that matrix, you have to, otherwise you have to write, this is the first row, no, you have to write in first column minus 1 here, 0, 0. Yes, Then you have to write second row in terms of second column, 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha. Yes, then write third column in terms of third row in terms of third column, 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, therefore A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. That implies determinant of A is what? Minus 1 into adjoint of A is this matrix. There minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha into cos alpha. If we multiply this negative sign into whole this bracket, what will get? Minus 1 divided by minus 1 will get plus 1, 0 divided by minus 1 0, 0 divided by minus 1 0. Then minus 1 into minus cos alpha plus cos alpha, minus 1 into sin alpha plus sin alpha, minus 1 into sin alpha minus into cos alpha minus cos alpha, and that is the solution. Okay, are you understood this question? Yes, let us start another question. This is different from that. If A is equals to 2 3 1 4 minus 4 and B is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 1 3, then verify that AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. How to find this? Here also same thing. First how to find A inverse, then B inverse, or you can whatever you want you can solve. But if you multiply here AB, then you can find determinant of AB, then adjoint of AB. You can solve like that, but we start here step by step. Let us given matrix A is equals to 2 3 1 minus 4, then determinant of this matrix is determinant of A is equals to 4 2 is 8 minus 1 3 is minus 3. That implies minus 8 minus 3 is nothing but minus 11. Minus 11 means what? It is singular or non-singular? It is what is defined. It is a square matrix. If determinant of A is not equals to 0 means what? It is a non-singular matrix. Yes. Then now you have to find the cofactor. How to find cofactor? A11. Delete first column, first row. What will get? Minus 4. And minus 1 to the power 1 2 is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 4 again minus 4 will get. Yes. Then A12. Cofactor of A12 is delete first row second column. This is the minor of 1 2. And how to find cofactor? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 will get. Okay. Then cofactor of A21. Delete second row first column. 3 will get. Minor of A21 is 3. Then cofactor is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 will get. Okay. Then cofactor of A22. Delete second row first column will get 2, and minor of minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. That implies 2 will get. Therefore adjoint of a matrix A is equals to, how to write this rows to column. Minus 4 you have to first element, and minus 1 is here because I am converting here row changes to column. Okay. Then this second row element you have to write in terms of second column. Minus 3 2. Okay. Therefore A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 divided by determinant of A is what? Minus 11, and adjoint of A is this matrix. This is a A. Similarly you have to find out B matrix. Therefore this is the B matrix, and here determinant of B is equals to what? B is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Determinant of B is equals to 3 1s are 3, minus of minus plus, plus into minus, minus will get. See here 3 1s are 3, minus 1 into minus 2, negative sign first as it is. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is what? This is not equals to 0 means what? It is a singular non-singular matrix. Okay, then you have to find here cofactor of that element. A11 is equals to, delete first row column, first row will get 3 and 1 plus 1 minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1. Okay, then A12 delete first row second column, this is minus 1 will get, and minus 1 is nothing but what? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus plus 1 will get here. Then cofactor of A21, delete first column second row will get minor of 2 1. Then minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 will get. Then cofactor of A22, delete second row second column will get 1 and 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Okay, therefore adjoint of B. Then rows convert to column. A13, A12 is 1 and write second row in second column 2 1. Okay, this is the adjoint of a matrix. Then you have to find B inverse. I want to show that B inverse into A inverse is equals to AB inverse. B inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of B into adjoint of B. Determinant of B is what? 1 divided by 1 will get, means nothing but 1 itself. Then adjoint of B is 3 to 1 1. Okay, let us go through further question. Now I want to find B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is what? See in previous slide, 1 divided by 1 into 3 to 1 1, and A inverse is what? Minus 1 divided by minus 11 into 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. Okay, but I am taken here 1 divided by minus 11 in first, then I will write 2 matrix. Yes, then minus 1 by 11 as it is, then multiply here first row with first column. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 1 what will get? Minus 2 will get. Yes, then first row with second column, 3 into minus 3 minus 9 will get, 2 into 2 plus 4 will get. Similarly second row with first column, 1 into minus 4 minus 4, 1 into minus 1 will get. Then 1 into second row with second column, 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 will get. Then if you add this, what will get? Minus 1 by 11 as it is, minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 will get, minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 will get, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 will get. Okay, then you have to multiply this negative sign into whole this bracket and give 1 by 11 as it is. Then what will get? Minus plus will get, minus into minus plus will get, minus into this minus plus will get, and minus into minus plus. Yes, then this is a B inverse A into A inverse. Similarly again we have to show that AB inverse is equals to this matrix. Okay, let us start this one. Then I know A matrix and B matrix, and how to find multiplication of a two matrix we studied in matrices subject topic. 2 into 1 2 minus plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 will get. First row with second column, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 3 into 3 plus 9 will get. Next second row with first column, 1 into 1 1 minus 4 into minus 1 will get plus 4. Then second row with second column, 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Then add that number. AB is equals to minus 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 4 plus 9 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 will get. Now you have to find determinant of AB. Minus into minus, see here, minus into minus plus 14 minus 5 5 is 25. 14 minus 25 what will get? Minus 11. That is not equals to 0, means what it is? It is a singular non-singular matrix. Therefore AB inverse exists. To find AB inverse we have to know how to find the cofactor. Then cofactor A11 is equals to, for this matrix AB, delete first row first column, what will get? Minus 14. This is a minor of A11. And how to find cofactor? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2 into plus 1 into minus 14, we will get minus 14. Next A12, delete first row second column, we will get 5, and 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 5. This is nothing but minus 5 will get. Then cofactor of A21, delete second row first column, will get 5, and minor of 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 5 will get. Yes, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Then cofactor of A22, delete second row second column, will get minus 1. Therefore adjoint of AB is equals to, delete convert rows to column, minus 14 first element and minus 5 here. Then second row convert to second column, minus 5 first element and minus 1 second element. Then AB inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Determinant of AB is what? This minus 11 minus 1 divided by minus 11 into adjoint of AB, minus 14 minus 5 minus 5 minus 1. Then if you multiply this negative sign, hold this bracket, what will get? 1 divided by 11 into 14, 5 5 1. See, determine AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. They are same or not? Hence we prove that AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. Students, are you understood this question? Yes, thank you.